I also hate the feeling of water weeds tickling at my feet while I'm swimming. Ugh. But there's nothing inherently dangerous about aquatic vegetation. In fact, those slimy weeds are often native plants that help keep the water clean. They provide habitat for fish, turtles, frogs, and small mammals, and, perhaps most importantly, they help protect your shoreline against erosion. On the other hand, overgrowth could clog your boat propeller, and the weeds can stink when they start to decay. But if you don't actually know what plant you're dealing with, you shouldn't do anything until you consult an expert. That's because you may not actually manage the waterbed right in front of your cottage. It could be a provincial or federal ministry, or even a conservation authority that gets the final say, and Indigenous groups may need to be consulted. Once you figure out who manages your waterbed, you'll probably need a permit. Call your local building department to get started, and do it early. The work window is often limited to just July and August. While you're working in the water, follow these basic guidelines. Work only in front of your property, stay within the maximum harvest area, minimize the removal of native vegetation, and dispose of the plants you remove well. Use only approved tools and avoid dredging up the lake bed. Your aquatic neighbors will thank you, and so will your feet.